What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Chief Clockman, Leader Clockman. I've seen different names for him. So this is from a recent one, I think. So he's got like the white suit on. So I'm in the landscape page. Use pencil eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. So he's got like a box for a head. You might need a ruler. A ruler can help with some of the Skibidi Toilet ones because there's lots of boxes and stuff. We'll just go across to start us off. And then we go diagonal. We're starting with the face of the clock. Down that way. And then it goes down to there. And then across. Go like same level roughly. 6 sides, so I'm sure there's like a mathematical name for what this shape is, but I don't know it. Right, and then we've got like a black circle in the middle. And it seems to be 20 past 10. So it goes towards the 4 and then up this way towards the 10 number. And then we have Roman numerals all around. So like X, II for 12, right? And then down here is at the base is 6. So like we'll put it, there's like a shadow down here actually. I'll just do that. Coming out from this corner. Coming around the base here. There's like a yellow edge that goes around as well. It's done in color. So, and then we have V. VI is 6. There's like little dots on the top and bottom of all these. And then out here is 3 and 9. So we'll just get these ones in the right place first. I think it's useful to do these ones first because they're like across from one another and you can like line them up. And we fill in the gaps in between all these, right? So you have I, double I for 2, and then VI for 4, or should I say IV? The dot, and then V for 5, and then VI. 7 and then 8, V 3 I's, 9 we got done, 10 is just X, and then XI is 11. Okay, right, so then his head, right, so it's like a box with these brackets along the edge of it, right? So you just go, we'll do the brackets. So we've got like, say a corner, there's like corner pieces, right? So and the box is kind of in between them. Right? This kind of a shape. And then down here as well. Again, you could use a ruler for all these if you wanted. Okay, and then there's like metal studs sort of holding all these together. Okay, and then we join them together with a line, so it goes pretty much straight down here, and then across the bottom, across the top. All right, and then there's like yellow edges. So it's just it's got like a back side that seems to be like bright yellow at the back, and then on this side as well. And then he's got a hat, so the hat kind of like sticks out here and just comes across the front of this. And the other side. It's got like a golden rim, a golden ribbon, and then goes up to the top, down, across, down like that, and then those two lines there. And he's got like a white suit on, right? So we've got this V there, and this line goes a bit further down. And then it has shirt and tie, so another sort of V area. That's just black inside. And then the shirt comes out from there, the collar of the shirt, and then his tie. And then his shoulder goes out this way, a little bump for shoulder pad of his jacket, which goes down here, and then just straight down that way. This arm goes behind, so that comes down, and then just goes around the back of his body that way. We got some folds. His arm goes that way. Other arm sticking up doing an OK sort of sign. We got a lapel on jacket. There is one here as well, but there's loads of pocket watches on it, so I'll just do a little bit of it. This is all pocket watches here. Finish the other arm first. Comes across, bumps up, curves around, and then body goes in and down. I think there's like a pocket here or something. So that other arm comes down to like his elbow joint. Around this way. And he's got a white sleeve. And a grey shirt. And then he's just doing like, okay, everything is A-OK. Trust leader clockman. I don't trust him. And then this goes up. And fingers. Well, are the clock guys the good guys or the bad guys? I can never tell. Three, and then the thumb just goes down the back of the hand there. So like hand lines and stuff that way. Okay, so then those pocket watches here, 3 of them, so circles within circles. So we'll just go closest one to us first. One, another one, two, and then a third. And then there's like circles inside and edge lines and stuff. So like the edge of it here, another circle inside, another circle inside this one, and here, and then little bits that kind of like stick up. So it's like the winders. It's funny. It's funny what turns on. I have one of these right here, which is crazy. I'm just after realizing that. Oh my god. Look at that. It's like nearly the same. I suppose all pocket watches are probably the same. Anyway, that's interesting. And then another sort of ring around that one. Doo-doo. Okay, little mistake there. I can erase that, don't worry. And leader Clockman. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.